This is a model of a Longbow Ground Attack helicopter by Airfix. It is part of their Quickbuild range, meaning that it's easy to build and requires no glue or paint. In the box, you will find the 40 pre-colored parts needed to construct the model. The completed model measures approximately 25 centimeters long. The parts simply clip together, and are large enough to be easily handled by younger enthusiasts. Features include single-piece primary and tail rotor blades. And detailed sections to make up the fuselage. Tail boom. And canopy. A contemporary stand is included to display the model. As well as step-by-step instructions to help with the build. And the shark's teeth stickers to finish the model. The Apache Ground Attack Helicopter by Airfix.